What's up, guys? I'm back. I know it's been a while, but I see my last video. I got a couple views, so I'm gonna try to keep this up. Right now I'm about to do a blowout on my homeboy. Stay tuned.
Mikey on the track.
Right now with my trimmers, I'm making the bald line to start the blowout. And here I got my number 3 on clearing out some bulk, and then after that I'm gonna follow that with the no guard open. I know you can't really see it, but I have my half on going up about 1/4 inch on the blowout. And right here I throw on my number 1 doing the same thing. As you can see here, I picked up my 1.5 and I'm clearing out some bulk above the number 1. Lastly, before I start detailing, I have my number 2 on to transition smooth to the number 3 that we used earlier in the video. Before I finish detailing, I like to line up whatever I'm cutting so that I can get a better look at what I'm doing. Alright, right now I'm about to start the beard. I got the 1.5 on right now, fading from bottom to top, if that makes sense. And now I got the number 1 on. And then I'm going to go to the half and then the no guard. So he asked me to trim his beard a little bit, so I went with the number 3 with the grain, and I just went down with it. I usually throw on some shave gel. Right here is Pacino's, just to soften up the hairs when I line it up with the razor. And right now I got the razor and I'm just pulling the skin and keeping the razor flat, and just going right above where the beard is at. Man, look at that lineup. That beard just went from 0 to 100 real quick. For the blowout in the back, I usually start with the lineup just so I can see where my fade is going to be at. So I just do the lineup on the sides and then I start with the bald line. Right here, I'm using the number 3 again to set the foundation of where the fade is going to be at. But as you can see, his hair, the way his hair grows in the back, it grows up instead of laying flat. So I had to cut with the grain, as you see right here, a lot during the cut. I'm pretty much using the same steps as the side though. I'm going to go from 0 all the way up to a 3.
Stayed down till I came up with my niggas. Right or wrong, fair or right, you know what's up with me, nigga. Never change on my gang, yeah, I'm stuck with my niggas.
I know I told you guys I do the lineup in the beginning, but when I'm done with the fade in the back, I do it again just because it makes it pop just a little more.
Never change on my gang, yeah, I'm stuck with my niggas. When I'm touchable, come run the money up with me, nigga, yeah.
So everything I do on this side is going to be the exact same thing I did on the back and the other side, so just follow along. So I'm recording at the shop now, as you guys can see. I'm in a barbershop. But I need to get something that I can record off of better, where you guys have a better visual of what I'm doing. So with time, I'm gonna get all that for you guys.
Never change on my gang, yeah, I'm stuck with my niggas. When I'm touchable, come run the money up with me, nigga. When ain't nothing, stayed down till I came up with my niggas. Right or wrong, forever right, you know what's up with me, nigga. Never change on my gang, yeah, I'm stuck with my niggas. When I'm touchable, come run the money up with me, nigga, yeah. With me, nigga, yeah.
So if you guys didn't know, my self-cut tutorial that I have on my page, it hit 11K recently, and it's just been like climbing to the top. So I'm gonna leave the link in my description, so you guys can go check that out and comment what you guys think. And for the lineup, I don't want to say I always start on the corners, but it does help when I do start on them. So I started on the corner, I made that side, and then I go from right to left, and then I go back right. I know you guys can't see much, but I threw on some shave gel and I'm just razoring his hairline and his hooks, just making sure that it comes out nice and crispy. I didn't put the video of me making the cat scratches in his eyebrow, but I just took my trimmers and I just made the 2 lines for him. But that's what he asked for, so I gave it to him. But yeah, that's the cut, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Go check out my other video, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you guys. And if you guys want like a more exclusive look at my life, you can go check out my girl's YouTube. She does a lot of vlogs and pranks and stuff, so just go check that out.